I'm Shelly Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Shopify products into your own Builderall website using the Cheetah website builder. So the first thing you need to do is go into your Shopify web store, and you're going to set up the buy button information so you can create your own buy buttons. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to click on Sales Channels over here on the left-hand side. This is actually my Shopify store. So under Sales Channels, I'm going to click that plus button, and I'm going to go down to where it says Buy button. So it should say Buy button here. When you find that item, just click the plus right here, and that will allow you to add the Buy button into your sales channels. Once your Buy button is added, then you're going to just click Manage Sales Channels. And you should see your Buy button there. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And now I need to give Shopify permission to update the sales channel to add the buy button. So I'm going to click Update Sales Channel. And now I can start creating a buy button for my own website. So I'm going to create a buy button. And I'm just going to use a product buy button, but I could do a whole collection as well. So I'm going to click Product Buy Button. And now I can choose what product I want to create a buy button for. So I'm going to scroll down here and find a product that I'd like to create a buy button for. So we'll choose this product, and then I'm going to click Select. And now it allows me to create this button, and I can customize on the left-hand side. So here I can create a button that has all the variants, or I can choose only specific variants. I can choose the layout style, which there's a few different layout styles. I like the classic the best. And then the action when people click, you can choose to have it add the product to a cart, or go directly to checkout, or open the product details. I'm going to choose Add to Cart. And then you can choose the button style. So if I click here, there's several different options here to change the button style. I can also choose the layout and several different options for choosing the layout, including choosing the colors that are available so you can match it to your website. You've also got the sharpen cart information, so you can change the heading to say cart, and this is what it looks like right here. So you can change all of this information here to make it look exactly like how you want it to look for your website. And then there's some advanced settings. If you click on here, you can have the checkout open in a pop-up window or redirect in the same tab. I really like that pop-up window, so I'm going to go back. And then once everything is set up, I can click up here where it says Next. And now it's created some code for me, so I can add this code to my website. So what I'm going to do is actually copy the code, and now it's ready for me to add to my Cheetah website. So now let's go into Cheetah and add this code and see what it looks like. So now I'm on one of my test pages to show you what this would look like if I added it into my page. So I'm going to click Add, and I'm going to go to Panel, and I'm just going to add a blank panel. We're going to delete this text, and then I'm going to go to Add an Element, and I'm going to choose to add an iframe so I can put my code in there. So I'm going to click iframe and then drag this item over onto my panel. And now I've got my iframe on there. I'm going to click on that iframe. I'm going to go to General Settings, and then where it says Embed Doc, I'm going to paste that code that I got from Shopify. And then I'm going to click Apply. So what that does is it puts that item on there, but as you can see, the window is not quite big enough. So I'm going to drag this to make my panel bigger, and then I'll drag this to make the area bigger of the iframe. Then I'm going to just resize it, the box, according to the size that I have for my item. So now I've got this item on here. I'm going to go ahead and just put it in the center of this page, but remember, you can configure this to make it look however you want it to look, and then I'm going to click Save. And now what I'm going to do is actually publish it, and we're going to take a look at what that would look like in a live site if the customer was going to see this Shopify item and then decide to add it to their cart. So let's go ahead and go to the live page. So here's the live page, and again, it's only got this iframe on it, so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So I can choose the version that I want, which I'm going to do the opening kit, and then I'm going to click Add to Cart. And that creates a pop-up that adds that item to the cart, and then I can choose to delete that item, or I can choose, once I add it to a cart, to add more of them to my account. And then once I get the number that I want to, I can click checkout. And that's going to take me to the website where I can create a login or log in if I already have a login, and go ahead and go through the purchase process of purchasing that item from the Shopify store. So that's how you add your Shopify items using HTML code, putting it into the iframe, and adding it to your Cheetah website inside of Builderall.